my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's look, I created this look. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned and catch me on the other side. Bye. All right, guys, so I already primed my eyes and I did my eyebrows off camera just for the purpose of the video. So we're going to begin with this eye tutorial. I'm going to be using my beautiful palette right here. And you guys already know my Jacklyn Hill palette volume 2. Beautiful bright colors. It's springtime, so why not play with these beautiful bright gorgeous colors? So I'm looking at these colors right now and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be playing with these beautiful orangey brown colors just because, like I said, springtime is here and let's bring the bright colors. Excuse my lighting because, like I said, I'm not in my comfort zone yet. I'm still at my mother's house. So it's raining outside. So lighting is a little gloomy. So it's a little dark. Beside that, we're going to be bringing this makeup look to life, guys. I am back and I'm ready and I'm ready and I'm ready to do a makeup tutorial. So let me drink my little bang cherry blade lemonade. Let me drink some. All right, guys, so let's get it. Let's go. Oh, excuse me, I just burped. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be placing this color right here, this orangey color, and that is my man. We're gonna place that in the crease area. I'm gonna use this brush right here, and this is the Morphe M506. And I'm just gonna place that orangey bright color on the crease area. Let me pat that down because I don't want that concealer to give me any creases. All right. So I'm just gonna do in the crease area, I'm just gonna pat that down because I want this orange to be super bright. And I think I'm gonna do it rounded for this makeup look. I'm excited for spring. Actually, I'm excited for the summer because I need the sun. You know what I mean? I need to start getting some sunlight in my body. I want that bright weather so I can start going out, maybe go to the pool. I'm just over this winter weather. I'm over the snow. I'm over everything. I'm ready to start working out again. I'm ready to do all that fun stuff what you guys do in the summer. What I'm doing now, I'm just rounding the color, the orangey color, and I want that pigment right in the center. I haven't done a bright look, I believe, like in 3 months. When I was in my old house, I haven't done a bright look in a long time. So I'm ready. I'm ready to give it to you guys. I like that orangey. Now I'm just going to use Heart On, and it's like this reddish color. I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to place it on top of that orangey color, just to brighten it up a little more. Bring out that reddish orange color. Don't worry, guys, we're going to blend that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm going to grab Lolly Mama, this color right here. It's like a pinkish purplish color. And I'm going to put that up here and just blend it out. Just blend that orangey color out. That orangey red color with that pinkish color. And I'm just using the same brushes, guys. I'm not using any different brushes. Bring back that orange. We're bringing back all the colors, the orange, the red. Bring back that red. All right, now I'm going to grab this color right here, Certified. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Now I'm gonna place this color right here, the yellow color, and this is No Joke. And I'm gonna place it on top of that pink. Right up here, just to give it a little more dimension. Right up here. Right where I placed that pink color. You see that? Just like that. I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit. And I'm just putting it in the outside corner. I'm not bringing it in, I'm just putting it right up here. All right, just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the crease. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my micellar cleansing water. And I'm gonna use a Q-tip and I'm gonna clean it out first. And then I'm gonna underline it with a concealer. This will make it easier to cut the crease. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to be using my Piece Louise, and this is black canvas. And I'm going to put this right here. A little bit goes a long way when you cut this. So just like that. And you gotta try to do this quick because this dries up fast. Alright, crease is cut. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place this color right here, and that is G Money. I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's like a flat brush. And I'm just going to place G Money. And I'm not blending it, I'm just tapping it. And then put that red color right over here in the center. In the outer corner. And then we're fading it out just a little bit, just to give it like that ombre effect. Now I'm going to grab a flat brush like this, and I'm going to place Certified. I'm going to place this color right here. I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. Just right here. Just to brighten that white, that. And grab G Money again. Tap it and just bring out that brown color. Super cute. I'm loving that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wing my eyes. I'm going to use the NYX, and this is the Epic Ink Liner in black. And I'm just going to wing it. Alright guys, so wing is on. I'm going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back. I'm going to prime my face now. So I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty, the water jelly. Prime my face so I can start doing the foundation. All right, so the foundation I'm gonna be using is this one. I just bought this one, the Fenty Beauty, and I am in 300. So I'm just gonna put little dot and just place that all over my skin. This is a perfect match for me, guys. Actually, let me use this brush. This brush came in my BoxyCharm. I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. It's a weird, see how weird that brush is? Let me see how this works. I can get it underneath my eyes, that's good. Guys, it's raining outside. I can hear the rain. Sounds so beautiful. I'm loving the rain. I hope you guys, this is good lighting because it is dark and gloomy outside. I'm gonna use concealer. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer, and this is in medium sand. See underneath my eyes. And I blend away. All right, so I'm going to set my face. I'm gonna be using my finishing powder, and this is in Tarte, and this is in medium. I'm just gonna set my whole face. Use this brush, and I'm just gonna set my face with this powder. I'm gonna use my Bobbi Brown face powder, and this is pale yellow. And I'm gonna set my concealer. We do not want creases underneath our eyes. No, we do not. So set that up. Perfecto. So now I'm gonna be using my Milk Makeup, and this is the Stick Bronzing Matte. And this color is in Blaze, super dark. I'm gonna put that right here, contour my forehead, of course, underneath my jawline. We want to look slimmer than what we look now, right? And I'm going to use this brush, and I'm just going to blend that out, and I'm placing it upward motion. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty, and this is Beijing Girl here, just to make my face look a little bit warmer. Perfecto! I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. blush, and this is in Core. I'm loving this for the summer, and I'm just gonna place that on the apples of the cheeks and bring it up. Love it, love it, love it. Super cute. Now I'm gonna highlight everywhere I want the sun to hit. I'm gonna highlight my nose. I'm gonna use this little highlighter right here and just highlight my nose. Highlight my cheekbones. Now we're gonna finish up underneath our eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place some orange underneath. I'm just gonna smoke it out. So I'm gonna use some orange. I'm gonna use Feeling Myself, this color right here. I'll place that underneath the waterline. So I'm gonna put black underneath my waterline. I'm gonna use the 24/7 water liner from Urban Decay. I wanna darken that eye. best black pencil. I love this pencil. So now I'm going to use some mascara. And I'm going to place it in my waterline. Just to give me that dolly effect. And that is beautiful. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to do my lips, spray my face, and then we are done. So I think with this look, I want to do a brown lip. So I'm going to use, and this is Love Letter, and this is in brown. So and I'm just going to use a gloss. I'm going to use a gloss, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hill, and this is Clouds. It's just like a soft neutral pink color, super cute. And I'm just going to place it in the middle of the lid. I mean, the middle of the lip. Now I'm going to finish up the look, and I'm going to use my Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, and this is from e.l.f. And I'm just going to spray my face. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you guys did, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, bye-bye.